what kinds of programming languages are in the stack to create Domino Data Lab? Or
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, sure. So most of our platform is built in Scala, and that was a choice we made very very early on, and we've stuck with. Our front end, as you'd imagine, is JavaScript, and we use React for that. It's the I think we initially had a different front end framework, but have switched to React. And then kind of deep in the stack, we're a fully Kubernetes native platform, and so we do have some bits of the code base that are directly written in Go because of some kind of direct interfacing we need to do with the Kubernetes stack. Like we built some sort of like some like custom Kubernetes operators and things like that.
very cool. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Yep. React is a front end, not hugely surprising. It's also for people who are building platforms, they're probably aware of how something like Kubernetes is critical to allowing these platforms to be highly scalable. I hadn't heard of people writing their own kind of Go code to make aspects of that Kubernetes
Mhm.
customizable. So that's cool and new to me. And then, yeah, interesting to hear the platform being built in Scala from the start, as opposed to say, something like Python, which might have been another option for kind of the back
Yeah,
end at the time that you would have started on Domino Data Labs.
yeah.
So I don't know a huge amount about Scala. It's a functional programming language, or it's a right.
It is, although it's I mean, used in a pure in its like purest form, it is functional. It's got a lot of flexibility, and it's also possible to use it more imperatively. And um, some Scala code looks a lot like just more concise Java code. It's a good hybrid.